Oh, hey, it's Kate with WTI. You know what? We can make this audio sound a little bit better.
Okay, how does this sound? I am now recording my audio using my microphone and this amazing professional recording isolation shield and pop filter. I am so impressed with this stand from the Aokeo store. It is amazing quality. I was super impressed with that right away. The stand is really, really sturdy and it's fully customizable. So you'll notice that everything is adjustable, which I really appreciate because that means that depending on your height, if multiple people are using this, you're able to make a nice quick adjustment and then it's going to be comfortable for you. Check out that thick foam that is creating a nice soundproofing. So this is almost like having a mini booth in your home. It was so easy to put together. Everything just screws together into place. And again, with everything being so fully adjustable, it's super easy to make those last minute adjustments. It even has a stand for your notes, and you can also adjust that pop shield, that pop filter. But it has a stand where you're able to hold your tablet or your notes depending on what you're using this for. So I'm using it right now with the shield and my microphone. This is it without the pop filter, but still having that shield around the microphone. I'm going to show you what it sounds like before I use this. Here's what my voice recording sounded like before I started using this shield. And now this is my audio using this professional stand. Way better, right? I think whatever you're using this for, you're going to be so impressed with the quality.
This pop shield and recording stand makes me feel like a professional. I am so happy with it. I think that it is amazing quality and it is truly helping me to get much, much better sounding audio recordings. I highly recommend checking it out, but that's just my point of view.